Baby, I'm trying to leave. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is a cash of 70,000 for your tea fare. I'll transfer 50k to you later.
Huh? Aaron, you're giving me 70,000 naira and you transfer 50k later. What's happened? Hey! Like, are you for real right now?
Come on now, for real. I mean, how you deceiving me?
No, because for the short time we've been dating, the highest amount you've given me is 40,000 naira. And I see my guy, guy don't talk.
That is because then I do not have. But now, remember the project
No, you can't get.
The project I told you I'll be pursuing now, that when it clicks, I'm going to take you round the world, I mean, where you've never been before.
Where I don't go before. Where I don't go before. I bet you carry me which I'll be say around the world where you've never been. I never go anywhere.
Yeah, now I won't carry you, come on.
Thank you for the money, Sha. Yeah. Oh, yeah, go escort me.
Is it?
See me off. Come on, get up.
Come on now, baby. Come on.
After
the hard work I did this hot afternoon, you still want me to see you off?
Which work?
I'm tired.
Which work you do?
The bedroom.
Because me self no do the work. You carry your body like that on top of me. You know say if supposing I know balance where gauge myself. You know say my waist for don't break. You like this where your eye no dey ground. You nearly shift my womb come out. They complain.
You now walk.
Say get out, see this one.
You now walk.
I can say you give me 70k.
I'll see you later.
If I catch any
area, I know reach. Hey. Did you win jackpot today?
Yeah. I won more than a jackpot. I caught a fine girl today.
Is that why you're excited?
I don't understand. Why should I not be excited? Guy, if you see this babe, she's so clean, sweet. You know, she's balanced. Yes, now.
So why didn't you bring her to introduce to me?
No, you know I cannot do that now. I cannot make the same mistake that I made in the past. I can't do it.
What mistake are you talking about?
You know, see, if you vex me, I will just go back to worry finer.
It is better you go back to that warrior. Because you proposed to stay 1 month now. Why did you come back? No, go back.
I see why you are angry. Because I not bring the girl to come and show you,
Yes, now.
You will not see her.
Really? Please come. Please, I want to use your card today. There's one fine chick I just got. Very, very fine thing, I'm telling you. So I want her to see me on a higher level. Very big level.
Please,
Is it?
Please something from me.
I don't understand. You don't really...
Oh. Aaron, thank you so much for the money. I appreciate it. Oh,
Sarah,
how fun now? I am good. Oh,
Sarah, this one why you dey smile like this? Abi you don't hammer?
Because if I don't hammer, now sit down here with you. I promise you, if I've truly hammered, I will shout down this roof. I will not even be here now. What am I even talking about? I'll be somewhere like maybe Dubai, Paris, or something, you know.
So why you dey smile like this?
Well, it's just about Aaron. I mean, that my guy and I told you about. He's just been naughty, so I'm responding to him.
Sarah, use your head. No to die follow man when you don't know whether it is serious. So. Eh?
Well, trust me, I know what I'm doing. Believe you me, no one can play with me. I am not one to be played with. You should know that.
Okay, oh. Just be careful. It's not even up to 3 weeks that you met this guy. Be careful, please.
I am always, I promise you. Okay?
It's alright. Let me just go and freshen up. I'm so tired.
Well, that's okay. I'll just conclude the chat with him.
Alrighty.
Dude, you are truly crazy. You didn't mad doing this boy. Oh my god.
What now? Are you...
Ella, you?
Ife, hi. I didn't know you were the one. I'm sorry. Hey, it's like you went shopping for a special girl.
Hey, you know what? This is not your business. All right?
Hey, Ife, not yet, please. Are you still angry at me?
Angry at you for what?
You don't pick my calls.
I only pick calls of important people. Business associate. Are you one of those?
Ife, please, I'm sorry. I just needed to give me a second chance. Okay, a last chance, one last chance. And I promise I won't mess it up. Please.
Ella, I have a girlfriend. Now, as you can see, she's the one I bought these things for. It's high time you move on. Right?
If not yet now, please. Okay. If please, I don't mind being your side chick. Listen, the truth is, ever since we parted ways, I've been so unlucky with guys. All the guys that come my way don't even take care of me. You are so exceptional. I mean, you are caring, loving.
Listen. I want you to keep these praises for somebody that deserves it. Right? I want to be on my way.
Ife, please.
What is it?
Why are you doing this?
What is it? You want to make a scene?
Come on. Okay. Ife, I don't mind being your side chick. Listen, I promise I won't cause you any issues. I won't cause any issues between you and your girl. It's a promise.
Okay, let me make a suggestion. Aaron will like this. Go to him with this offer. Excuse me.
You can't eat your cake and have it back. It's never done. You can betray my trust and gain it back. It's never done. I gave you my heart, but you threw it away. Now you're telling me that you want me back. I gave you everything that you want.
What are you talking about? Were you not the one that threw yourself at me?
What are you even talking about? So why didn't you rebuke me when I was throwing myself at you? Instead you fell for it like a loose man that you are.
I don't understand. Efe does not give you attention. And you told me in clear words that you need a man that will give you attention. A man that will say good and sweet things to you. And that is what I did. I found out I'm the right person for the job. And before then, remember what I told you? Do you actually know what you are going into when you said yes to that? What did you say? You don't care.
Oga, we are still saying the same thing. You'd have chased me away, you idiot.
You are very stupid calling me an idiot. Are you mad? You ruined your relationship with your man by yourself. Alright? It is your fault, not mine. Don't you ever. Don't try it.
Okay, I agree. Okay, I agree it was my fault. But please, can you do me this favor, please?
What favor?
I need you to help me convince Efe. Just talk to him, beg him, do whatever. Just let him forget what happened and forgive me, please. And he's your close friend, and I know he listens to you.
That one is not possible. Oh. It is not. Because if I'm seeing right now, just got a new girlfriend that is making him go gaga like a 2-year-old baby. Alright, so it's not possible.
I don't mind being a side chick. It's that bad. Please now, just understand this thing. Do it for me now, please. Okay. I'm counting on you.
Hey, what's up, bro?
I'm okay.
How you doing?
Hi, the apple.
Since you went for a swap.
Yes, so I brought them for you to check. I know. Over. Guy, this is the second time you are breaking a cup in this house. It's no longer funny.
So sorry, I'll pack it, don't worry. What did you...
How look at this cup.
They're beautiful. But...
For that man, you get now.
Come on, man. This is just too much. I mean, why do you keep spending money for who you barely know? You don't even know anything about her. Please, reduce the spending.
Hey, Ron, am I complaining? The money is not from your pocket.
I know you're not complaining, but I'm just trying to give you an advice like a friend.
Keep it. Are they nice? See, there is this one I want you to check.
Efe, I want to ask you a question. When are you giving me the 2 million I asked for? You know the business I'm venturing into now. The time is going. It's a woman now. You have to squander everything. Give the woman money. But for your main guy, no way.
You know, let's say I'm not yet convinced about this business of yours. Yeah. I don't like waste. Right? I don't want to give you money now and the next thing you cannot account for it.
I really don't understand you. I'm the one venturing into the business and not you. I'm the one convinced here. Just give me the money, let me go and do this business and that's it.
And the way this thing is going now, you write proposal because you are not ready to give me time. Do you like these things? Thank you. You like them?
Are you serious? Like, you're not going to give me the money?
Yes, Ayo, where are you? I'm at Odili's shopping mall. Okay, I'm waiting. Oh, yes, I can see you. Yes. Can you see me? All right. Hi.
Hi.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
So good to see you.
Same here.
Take this for her.
Okay.
This for her.
Okay.
Be careful. And this is for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So I will sort out my lunch for today. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day, okay?
Alright, same to you.
Good.
Okay.
Aaron, what are you doing here?
I had to follow you up to this place.
Follow me how now?
I overheard you talking to someone, this particular.
Yes. Ayo, where have you been? Huh? I've been calling your line now, you're not responding. Okay, no problem. I went for shopping. Me? No. I did the shopping for you actually. I was calling to know your size and other things. Yes. Yeah. When I was still there, that was when I was calling you. But you're not picking. And I wanted to know if I can bring the stuff to you. Okay. Yes, all the limo. Yes, I know it. Very close to Life supermarket. Wow, you sell there. That's good. That's good. Okay, see, just drop it as a text message for me. Okay, I'll see you shortly.
I just want to be serious that you're okay.
Okay, I'm fine. Obviously.
So it's because of this girl. They see I'm now, love they shock you. Because of this did I call it this packaged bloated ass. That's why you're misbehaving. Very short thing. See, I will not be surprised if this girl charm you.
Are you done?
I'm done for now.
Get a cab to the house or wherever you want to go. I am not going home from here.
Hold on now. At least allow me to count the money. Hold on.
Aaron, did you ask me for money? Did you ask? Did you ask me to pay money for you?
Sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go now. Let's go where?
Anywhere that you're going to.
Aaron, what is wrong with you?
There is nothing wrong with me. I'm just looking after my friend.
Give me money first.
Is it?
Give me money first.
You have to kill me. As for this money. Otilo, gone. This photo now, let's go. Move and be a good boy for once. This. It's just the...
You know, you can be very annoying. You're very, very annoying.
Move this photo, let us go, please. It's not like big cash for
I've sent it though. Have you gotten it? The guy that just dropped you, who is it to you? I mean, are you his sister, his secretary, or his girlfriend?
Is this how you behave? Like you just walk up to a stranger you don't know from anywhere and then you start asking me annoying questions. Really?
Annoying questions, how? I just asked a simple, harmless question. All I need from you is just a simple answer. Why are you paranoid?
I don't give answers to silly questions.
Oh. Look, you're the one I'm trying to help here. You see that guy? I know him too well. His name is Efe. See, he's going to use you and dump you. Dump you like toiletries. Just ignore the looks, all those gentleman, handsome looks. His mind is evil. I'm just trying to help you.
So is that all you have to say?
No, that's not all. Oh. You see that guy? He is a chronic. When I mean chronic womanizer. Any girl he sleeps with, the girl becomes a topic of discussion amongst his friends. So, I'm just trying to help.
I beg, get out, I beg. You don't have anything important to say.
See Mumu that I'm trying to help. Those that have ears, let them hear.
Baby girl. Go and get a life because this patrol where they portray no fit you at all. Okay?
Don't worry. I understand the reason you're not taking what I'm saying seriously. This is actually your job, Olosho. You know, you're on duty. So there's no point taking me seriously.
What did you just say?
I said, the reason you are not taking me seriously is because you are an Olosho. So, what's there? It's a normal thing to you.
And will you be bold enough to repeat what you just said now?
What other boldness do I need? Eh? See you. See me. I am talking to you. And I said, the only reason you are not taking what I am saying seriously is because you are an Olosho. How dare you?
Are you fighting me? Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you crazy? How dare you?
Hello, Ella.
Aaron, you won't believe what just happened. I saw Ife dropping a girl. I approached the girl and asked her who she is to Ife. No, simple question. And she opened her mouth and started insulting me.
Can you imagine? Why would you even do that? So seriously, it's so embarrassing you seeing someone for the first time and you decide to insult them like that. Who does that?
Aaron, please. I asked her because I wanted to know who she is now. You know I still have feelings for Ife. I just wanted to know if she's the sister, so at least you will help me talk to him. Is that a bad thing to do?
Why are you calling me now?
I'm calling you to know if you know her. She's tall, a bit chubby. She's not dark. Okay, is she dark? She's fair. Something like that. Do you know her? Is she Ife's sister? If she is, please, can you give me her number so I can apologize to her, please? Please.
Well, Ife has just one sister, and she does not reside in this city, right? Did you guys have a fight?
I was provoked by her response. Moreover, she slapped me. Oh, the girl has guts. She slapped me face. I was just having a conversation with her, and then boom, she hit me. So we fought. I hit her back.
Well, Ife has just one sister, and she does not reside in this city. She doesn't even fit in the description you just mentioned right now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So, what about the girlfriend you talked about? Does she look anything like what I just described?
Please, I don't have time for this conversation, please. When you see Ife, you guys can iron things out, okay?
It's fine, it's fine. I'll find out myself, I beg. It's fine.
Beautiful customer. My beautiful customer. Forget the issue. Yeah, take a easy. Take care.
Sarah! Sarah!
Ella!
Wait!
Look at you!
Oh my word!
Oh my word!
Look at you! Do you know when I saw you from a distance, I was like, are you sure she's the one? Are you sure this is Sarah? It is Sarah!
Wait, look at you!
Oh my word! How have you been?
My darling, I have been great. There's no need asking because I can see that you're already good.
You too.
Trust me, I have been looking for your contact. Anyone I ask you, just tell me, I lost it. I don't have it anymore. I'm not wondering, where is this babe?
I no longer use that like...
I thought as much.
Wait.
Because you're not acting as if you're a ghost or something.
You had all this all along.
What is the way this idiot? See mumu, see monkey. Maybe come and give me another face start behaving like all those lesbians back in campus. At least, what are you doing around this place?
I moved into this environment some weeks ago. You stay here too?
For real?
Yes.
I live not so far from here.
We are neighbors. We are neighbors.
It's
Girl,
super
but
great
you
to
look
see.
good.
Thank you. You look good
Look at the
yourself.
body.
Put your
Everything
digits so that we can keep in touch.
Yes, sure.
Yes,
sure.
yes, yes. It's great to see you again. I mean, it's been a
Everywhere is
long,
screaming
long time.
attention. Boom, boom, attention. The breast. Everywhere.
I no blame. Monkey, put your digits man. No, I wanted to reach you before you disappear again. Give me your number. Okay. I'll just.
We're already picking. When are you coming back?
Guy, why are you so concerned about when I'm coming? What did happen?
Nothing. Just that the girl I told you now, Sarah.
Okay. What happened to her?
She prepared something for dinner, so.
That's nice. But see, I want to quickly close up a deal with a client. Like now.
Yeah, I just hope it pulls through. She said she wants to see you before she leaves.
No, man, I'm not sure say she will feel way too. Because I don't even know when I'll be through. Alright?
Okay then. We're not businessmen. I'll be the one to handle it.
Okay, you go wait, make I close this deal first. Make deal click now. I don't understand you, Aaron.
Hey, don't click already. All I'm waiting for is just for you to come back. Let's pop champagne.
Guy, bye-bye. Later.
Alright. Bye-bye. He sends his greetings to you.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
He sounded like someone who had a lot of things to do before he comes back home later.
Don't worry, Peking. See that guy? Eh? He has the blood of an evil guy in him. I'm telling you, he does not joke with his business.
You know, well, I swear.
Like, seriously.
Mm-hmm. But from the way you guys were conversing, I guess your childhood friends?
Yes, now. We grew up in Warri. Japa Road, for that matter. We grew up together. After our secondary school, he traveled with an Igbo guy to China.
Wow.
Then he came back and established a whole lot of business.
That's good though. But thinking about it, why not just ask him for some money to start up your business?
Well, I did already. Well, he told me to give him some time.
Okay. But just try to remind him when he gets back in the evening. You know, busy guys like him, they tend to forget a lot of things.
Come on. He's my guy, okay? He won't do such a thing. Yeah?
If you say so.
It's not like that.
What be this one? Ha.
Pick it up now.
No, Jerry. It's that Mumu guy now. The Titanic guy I told you I met the other day. The guy keeps troubling my life.
Then trouble him back.
See, all I'm just waiting for is just collect sharp thing. I just collect one fat thing for the guy and then I free him.
Grab the money very fast, right? Because me, I need money. I need money to establish my business because I'm not happy you're picking this call. I mean, you're having this kind of flings with him. I'm not happy here.
See who they talk. You know
I need the money to invest in my business.
Oh, but you know how people, you need the money. Anyway, I'm just waiting to get the money from him. Then the Titanic will definitely sink.
Let me see. You actually stored his name with Titanic?
No. Whatever this is, I'm going be now. Well, trust me, darling. The Titanic is sinking soon. Don't stress. It's calling again. Okay. Let me just take it. Hello? My Titanic. I'm so sorry. I'm very busy right now. But don't worry, I'll call you back much later, okay? Alright then. Bye. Babe,
Your Titanic.
let me go and check. Hope the rice on fire for you and my love.
Linda, I'm not sure I'll be able to wait for Sarah. I need to catch up with my friend. I want to pick something from her shop before she comes.
It's okay, I'll let her know. Thank God she's here. Sarah.
Oh my God. Ella,
I'll be
I am
inside.
so sorry.
Let me allow you to attend to your guests.
I am super
Thank you so much,
sorry.
Linda. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry I kept you waiting this long. I'm sorry.
You would have told me you're not coming anytime soon instead of making me wait.
I just told you I was sorry. Okay, fine. I'm sorry.
You're fond of this thing.
Sorry. Please just say it.
Stop.
I beg no vex. In Hausa, yeah, Kuli. Biko no. You never do. Come on now. I'm sorry. No vex. I beg you. Waiting. Whatever. You know what? I know how to just cheer you up. Let me get you something to drink. It will cool your ulcers. Hold on.
I'm not interested. I just had one.
Two will not change anything. Let me just go in and get you something.
I said I don't want. Is it by force? Whatever you bring here, you're going to take it.
Don't worry. Let me bring you first. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, okay? So calm down. Whew. Yeah.
Please hurry. This street is so quiet. Are you sure I'll get a cab here?
Don't worry. Trust me. There are always cabs. Anytime, any day. Just be a little bit patient, okay?
I hope so.
My phone. Oh, my friend. Hello? Babe, where are you? Oh, okay. Just be coming straight. Yes, I'm standing outside. Yes. Just you meet me. Just come straight. You see me, okay? Alright, there. My friend is coming, so you just use the cab that she's coming with. There's no need to stress yourself.
Yeah, that would be nice.
She's the one I told you about when we're leaving the house, eh? You'll be buying jewelry for her. She sells really good jewelry, okay? Ella, meet Dorothy. Dorothy, Ella.
Hi.
Let's do business.
Who are you offering a handshake? When did that friendship start? You want to get me infected with a handshake? For what? Like why? Why are you offering me a handshake? Are you okay?
You know what? People like you are very senseless. I don't blame you. And I will not waste my time talking to an annoying, smelling pig like you, okay?
See the animal that is calling me a smelling pig. Don't you have a mirror in your house?
Okay.
See this fat fool calling me a smelling pig.
That is
you that is eating my leftover.
That is all you can say.
You that is eating my leftover.
That is all
between
you
the two of
can
us,
say.
who is a pig?
Okay.
Goat.
That is all you can say.
Anytime you see me on the road and try to exchange any pleasantries, you will not like what I will do.
Who
to
the
you.
hell are you?
Go.
Who the hell are you? So what's this girl? Like, did she just actually insulted me?
Pig, smelling pig like you, goat, animal.
That is all you can say, bitch.
Ella.
Rubbish.
What's this?
What the hell is this? What's this? Oh God.
Wait,
Sarah, I'm so angry right now. I'm so angry.
did that just happen in front of me? Okay, here you go.
Thank you very much.
Yep, you're welcome. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Now that is out of the way, would you like to tell me what really happened between you both? Or do we just forget about it?
Sarah, please, let's not talk about it.
And let's just focus on why I'm here.
Don't talk about it, please.
It's fine, as you wish. So can I see what you brought?
Yes, you're going to love this new collection. Trust me.
Let's see. Okay. Look at this. Okay. This is more masculine. Look at this. But can I see more earrings? Okay. Yeah. This was this. Okay, I already have something like this. Yeah.
Well, I really do not understand why you have to call me so urgently. I think it's not something we can talk on the phone. Okay, alright. I'm here now.
Aaron, please. I know I've spoken about this countless times, but I really need you to help me. I don't have a choice. I need you to help me. You're the only friend he has that he listens to. You get? I need you to talk to him to accept me back, please.
With all due respect, I really do not want to get involved or become a barrier between my friend and his new girlfriend. Please, I beg, run this matter by yourself. I can't. I don't want him to see that I'm the one trying to intricate or do anything against his friendship with his new girlfriend. You understand? Do it yourself, please. Remove me. I'm sure whoever you saw with him is his new fiancé. And I mean, if she gets to hear all this, she will not be happy with me.
Aaron,
so
please, you're talking plenty. Are you going to help me or not? What's all this now? See, I don't mind paying you. I am serious.
Are you kidding me?
Aaron, see, I am dead serious. Whichever way you want me to pay you, cash, kind, please, Aaron, please. Please.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. But I think your face seems so familiar. I can't recognize where I met you.
I don't think we've met before.
Is your name Ayo, right?
Yes, but I can't recall where we've met.
Okay. Please, whenever you see your man, tell him you met someone called Aaron. I'm sure he will tell you things about me.
Okay then.
Alright, do take care of yourself, huh?
Same to you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow. This ass is so solid. Hey! Efe! It's alright. This is the most beautiful moment of my life. Baby, you bad sha.
So even after all the beg I begged to use protection, you still went down with me like that. Wow. I've done my part. It's now your turn to do your part of the bargain.
I'll try.
Which one is I'll try? See, you need to give me assurance, so you need to keep to your own promise. What's the meaning of that? Don't let us have issues, oh.
I don't understand. What do you want me to say? I said I will try now.
Oga, that's not what I want to hear, I beg. What's the meaning of that? I just did my own part of the bargain and you're telling me you will try. Give me assurance, I beg, or make me a promise.
It's okay. Bring down your voice down now. Want Efe to come in here? Rest assured it's 50-50. Yes, it's 50-50. So I'll try, like I said.
Aaron, what is wrong? See, don't make us have issues, oh. Don't let us have issues. I'm not going to take it lightly with you at all. What's this one now? Why are you saying 50-50? So you know it's not something you can handle and you went down with me. Don't see. You better advise yourself, oh.
I've heard you now. Stop shouting.
Please come and open the door for me, I beg. I'm ready.
Is that why you are so angry? Don't tell. Hey, this one you passed not announced.
Wait, Aaron, I should take excuse from you before I come into my house?
I'm not saying that.
Who was that?
Who was what?
Don't play games. I saw somebody.
There is no one here, as you can see.
You're shaking.
Welcome. Welcome, sir. Welcome, please.
What the hell is she doing here?
She actually came to see you. And I told her to go. That wouldn't be funny if you find her here. She was actually on her way out before you.
Yes. I was actually leaving when you opened the door. So I had to hide because I wasn't really sure what your reactions would be if you see me.
Ella, I've told you countless times. I do not want to have anything to do with you again. Get it into your head.
Ife, you said so. Oh, please, can we just be friends at least?
You see this game that you're playing? It will not work with me.
I know do again, please stay away. Don't wanna be your fool again. Oh yeah.
I was expecting you to see something now. You just stood there.
Say what? Can't you see the look on his face? What do you expect me to say?
You see what you've caused? I suggested a hotel. But instead you brought me here because you don't want to pay for a room.
If you pay for a hotel, is it a bad thing?
You're so shameless. Just pray this doesn't ruin the whole thing for me. Rubbish.
Don't worry.
Get your hands off me. I know my way.
I'll call you on the phone. Go now. What are you?
You can betray my trust and gain it back.
Hey, Kenny, I do not like this. The only reason I came here is to give you this phone. Don't think I will fall for your sweet talks. Have your phone, let me go.
Linda, the phone is already yours. I only put up this ad to drag your attention. Please, can we talk?
I am not interested in whatever you have to talk about. Look, if you do not want to take this phone, fine. But do not call me again requesting for it. Else you will not get it.
Linda, can we go inside the car so that we can talk?
You and who?
Me and you, of course, Linda. I've really missed you. Listen, the person you caught with me is never my girlfriend. She is my sister. Why don't you believe me?
Ekene, you are a liar. You are a big liar. She's your sister. And you could not stop her from running her mouth, insulting me. You could not do anything about it.
Linda, were you expecting me to beat her? Don't forget you're the person who started all this drama. You started it. What did she say to you? You went beyond your limit by calling her boyfriend snatcher, calling her all sorts of names. What did she say to you? What did she say?
Is she not a boyfriend snatcher? Is she not an ashawo? Eh? I have never seen her in your house before. You've not even made mention of her.
Don't forget that this girl did not insult you like you claim. The only thing she said that this girl get Pepe Bodio. And the next thing you started ranting, shouting. You couldn't even give me a listening ear for you to hear what I want to say. You started ranting just like you're doing now. What exactly do you want me to do?
Me ranting? Do you even know that I have put in more effort than you in this relationship?
I beg your pardon. How do you mean?
Oh, you want us to start talking about it? Have you ever given me money to buy hairs, bags, even clothes? Of course, the only thing I have benefited from you is this phone. Or let me say, you've given me money 3 times to make my hair. 3 good times in 8 months relationship.
Thank God you have admitted that I've given you something. Listen, we are not yet couples. If I am married to you, then I will start giving you all of this. Yes.
So, me where they give you money since, I be fool. I resemble your papa. Or I carry your mama face. Eh, Kenny?
Linda, let me even ask you a question. What exactly do you want me to do for you?
Admit the truth.
Okay, fine. She is my girlfriend. Are you not satisfied with that? She is my girlfriend. What is wrong with you?
At least now the devil can be ashamed.
Who is the devil? Linda, like I said before, she is my girlfriend, and if you don't like the fact that she is my girlfriend, then you hug the transformer, or better still, you jump into the river. Don't disturb me again with this your shenanigans.
Did he just walk out on me?
Aaron, you should know me by now. Eh? I'm not your type of guy. I can't possibly cheat on my girl.
Are you serious?
Hell no.
A girl you know nothing about. I mean, a girl you just met.
Says who? Oh, because I traveled? Well, newsflash. I gave this girl a call today to meet me somewhere really, really nice. We had a good time. Unlike me, who would not even try to create time. I did today. You see?
Wow. Very nice of you.
Thank you.
But I can assure you that Ella will not be a bone in your neck. I mean, this girl is willing to be a side chick.
Aaron, you've not been listening. I cannot do anything that will hurt Ayo's feelings. I can't.
Are you serious? See, your mother said don't tire a person. I'm telling you the truth. What is wrong with you? This Ayo girl that you're talking about, isn't that short girl, that short buffalo girl? What does she have? The thing is that she's just using this Botox to confuse you, brainwash your head. Yeah. That's what she's doing.
Ayo is a beautiful girl.
What?
She's an angel. Thank God you acknowledge her backside. What about that?
See, the truth is that you have a very bad taste about women.
Thank you. And for, what's her name? Ella. If you want to go for her, beautiful. I won't be offended. It's a free word.
Hello? Yes, I'm under the tree. Don't worry, just pass by. You see me standing here close to you.
And I'm putting on a green jumpsuit. You see me? Just keep coming. I'm ready. Keep coming.
You?
Anyways, let's just go somewhere calm that is chill and talk. Okay?
What are you talking about? Wait. Were you the one I was talking to on the phone that said I should come meet her here?
Yes. No, that's not true. Look, listen. My friend gave me your contact. But are you the hell I've been speaking to, or is it a coincidence or what?
What stupid coincidence are you talking about? You just see people on the road and the next minute you're talking about coincidence. What stupid coincidence are you talking about?
Babe, this is you. And for some reasons I don't know why you don't like me. And please, can you just stop shying away from me? This is about you, not me. Can you just listen to me, babe? Listen, I was an active nurse before I relocated down here. And I have a own profession of my own while I'm still waiting for my professional job. I understand this is private, but please, you're safe with me, trust me.
Are you done with your sermon? Are you done?
Yes, but it's
now
up
let me
to
tell
you
you something. I have no idea what you're talking about. Seriously, I don't even know what you're talking about. And for the whole phone thing, it wasn't you I was on the phone with. It's obvious. Hey! I am going to advise you to wait. Wait patiently for whoever you were talking to on the phone. I'm sure the person will come. Rubbish.
It's you! It's very obvious.
Let me call my friend.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
The babe just left now, but this is her obviously. I mean, did you give me the wrong number?
Hello, babe. What's the meaning of this now? What's the meaning of this one? Are you sure the number you gave me is the correct one? Babe, see, I'm asking because the person I met is not someone I want to have. It's not someone I want to have this kind of conversation with. Like, I've met her before and we don't tally at all. I wouldn't want her to know about the whole infection thing now. She will use it to mock me. Why are you doing this to me? Babe, I beg. See, just find something, tell her something, look for anything. Pick up any story and tell her, beg, I'll sort myself out, I'll know what to do. Okay? I can't, no now. She can't handle this for me, I beg, not that girl. I beg. Take care. Which kind of bad luck can't be this one now? What is this? Of all the people in the world.
Oh, I am telling you the truth. I do not have any other woman except you, Sarah. I'm telling you, you need to believe me. So tell me, what are you doing? Okay. So, can I see those beautiful pointed oranges? These oranges are so beautiful. Baby, please. I do not want to see your face. Avoid your face, okay? Let me just see those pointed oranges.
Whose breast is that?
Guy, now what for you? You're not making video call and you just...
Oh, sorry. I didn't know. I didn't know you were making video call to the breast. I was standing.
Did you see anything?
No, I did not see, you know. How you get me?
Aaron, what was the meaning of that? No, what do you mean you don't understand? What was that for? You knew your friend was there, yet you insisted I show my breast. What for? No, that's not nice. Do you know how I feel? Thank God my face did not even show. And thank you for telling him it wasn't me. Else, I don't know how I would have faced him if I eventually meet him. When is he coming back? Okay. No, I'm actually waiting for the person that's coming to visit. As soon as she leaves, I'll come over. All right then. Who is it?
It's Dorothy.
Oh, Dorothy. Oh. Good morning. Please come in. Come in. You are welcome, please.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. And thank you for the balance.
It's nothing. Come on. It's fine. Okay, you know what? I'll just get my friend Linda so she can come and pick one or two stuffs from you. I know she will tell me that she's already late for work, but I know how to.
Me too. I was supposed to be at work, but I just quickly want to make some sales before going to work.
That's fine. Let me just get her.
Thank you.
Oh, there she is. Please meet my friend. This is the same person I told you I bought jewelry from. You can just pick one or two from her. I mean, she sells really nice jewelry. Trust me now. Oh yeah, babe, introduce your market now.
What the hell are you doing in my house?
What's going on?
This is the bitch that insulted me in front of my stupid boyfriend.
Bitch girl.
She caused our breakup.
Insult you?
Oh, you insulted yourself.
And please do not speak to me again in that manner. Because I have had enough of the way you insulted me the last time, and I will not take this disgusting word from you again, okay?
This is my house, and you must learn to talk to me with respect.
Calm down. Please, let's just calm down.
You must be silly. It is you that is silly. You that caused our breakup. You are silly.
Linda, calm down. You know what, Sarah?
Yes.
I'm out of here. And you need to visit a psychiatrist. You say,
Linda,
you want to touch me?
You say what?
Do you want to touch me? Or you don't know who you're fighting with?
Who you be?
You don't know who you're fighting with.
You be Tinubu pikin? Eh? Abi you be cultist? What is this? She dey craze. Who she think say she be? Calm down. She be cultist. You first stay now. Make I saw you. Make I put am for your body. What? You dey mad? Linda, that girl dey craze. Calm down. Dorothy. Linda, you stay here. I will be right back. Dorothy.
Linda, you have to calm yourself down. Come on. Ekene, whatever he calls himself, it's not even enough for you to be acting this way. Come on, the guy is not even worth it. Why are you fighting over a guy that is not even worth it?
Fight over which guy? That idiot. Look, I cannot fight over such person. I was only furious because of the way she spoke to me. I mean, she had the guts to be rude to me in my house. Who does that?
But it's understandable. Perhaps she did that because you called her a bitch. What do you expect?
That is who she is, a bitch.
Linda, can you calm down? You don't reach.
I beg. Come they go. They go.
See this one. Go where?
I thought you said you are going to see that your guy now.
Mm-hmm.
Abi, you don't change your mind.
I didn't change my mind. The point is, I'll go see him later.
Oh.
Besides, I can't leave you standing here like this. You're fuming.
See wahala. I did come. I did all right. Okay. I promise you, this drama don't end like this.
Excuse me. Hello? Babe. Yeah, I'm good. Do you want us to see? Oh, it's quite unfortunate. I cannot make it. No, I can't see you right now. The thing is, I am not in town. I traveled to my village. Yes. After I left you yesterday, my mom called me to tell me that my presence is needed at a family meeting. As I speak with you, I'm in my village right now because I left immediately. I left to the village immediately I saw you. Yes. Oh, baby, that's so nice of you. Thank you for your understanding. You're a wonderful person. And I love you. My baby, my love. I love you so much. Bye-bye, my love.
Sarah.
Eh?
Sarah.
Hey, what's up? What's up? See, I want to apologize for what happened yesterday. Please don't take it to heart. I overreacted without thinking, though.
Ekene or whatever you call yourself. As you can see, she's not in the mood to talk to you. So just go to that disgruntled and rubbish car you came with and bounce. Bounce. Up, go.
Are you kidding me?
You heard me loud and clear.
Listen, Sarah. I am not the cause for your frustration, so do not bring this silly attitude to me.
Who are you talking about that is frustrated? You ungrateful idiot. You think I'm Linda? Don't say I'm not a fool. Do not take me for a fool. You are the frustrated one here.
Listen, Sarah, if you don't want me to bounce on you, you better behave yourself.
No, hear me. What will you do? If you think you have balls and you're a man, try it.
I was driving past, but your attitude towards them caught my attention. Why are you treating ladies like that?
Well, what be your own? What be your own for this matter? How this thing use concern you? Now me you get mine blow, Oga. I don't mark your face. Anywhere I see you for this time, I go put them for your body. Now me you blow.
Look at you, you're shaking like a woman. Thank your bloody stars. That I'm traveling for something very important. Otherwise, you'd have gotten more. Get out.
Now me you blow. I go come for you. I go come back for you, no worry.
Bros, thank you so much. Thank you.
I will come for you.
Thank you so much.
Must manifest in the name of Jesus Christ.
What are you saying?
Yes, now.
I don't understand. Look at me. So you want a 90-year-old man? That scruffy old man? For me, a young, sweet girl like me, to date that kind of old, disgusting man? Never.
What are you talking about now? What has this sweet, young this thing done for you? I mean, any money in your bank? Nothing. See, collect the Range Rover and the money. We need it. I need to start up my own business. You know now, my friend has been promising me all this while, but nothing is coming out. I don't understand. See, it's not like I'm encouraging you to sleep with a man, but I know you now. Just find a way around it. Don't just keep in, but always give him false hope.